mind if I record?
No, I don't care.
Okay.
I'm gonna step out. It'll scan you by yourself. So you're gonna put your hands in a position just like this, and it'll spin you around, and then you'll get off, get dressed, and then just come get me.
Okay.
It'll automatically do it.
Okay.
You don't have to do anything.
You ready for that? You only taking off your shirt. I'm in here with you.
Well, you can leave it on, but then you would look like an Uncle Lupa, so you don't.
No.
Okay.
You want full body range. That's right.
Okay, so I had to do a 3-body scan. What I didn't expect or anticipate was I was gonna take my shirt off. So y'all know I ain't ready for that part yet, but I'm gonna do it anyway. It's better to be transparent than to be fake. So here we go. Wait, can I see how I look first?
Oh, you're so vain. Just go through the process. You worrying about how you look instead of how you want to look at. Transparency, we say. Take them boots off.
Shut up. I wish I could take this off.
Welcome to Skype. Please face the towel.
I am.
Put your hands in a fist and your arms in the shape of an A. Starting Staiku
Is that
in
it?
3, 2, 1. Scanning your body now. Please hold still.
That is so dope. Yeah, you look diesel.
I don't.
You really do.
Transparency, right?
Yes, and you look beautiful. That is dope.
Body scanning is now complete. Thank you.
How tall are you?
Short. 5,
You still have to tell me.
5'5.5".
You're short. I'm really short then.
That's what I told her. Trust the
Can I
process.
do it again in 30 days?
Yeah, we can do it every 30 days.
Okay.
So this one's kind of just like a baseline. I'll be able to tell you your starting measurements and body fat. And then in 30 days, I can actually lay them side by side and show you where you've lost weight, and I can overlap them so you can see like yourself inside yourself.
Your scan was successful and is now ready to be viewed.
Oh, Lord.
You did good. That looks really good actually.
That stomach is where I want to go away. That and the back fat.
So that's part of the stomach. So when it goes, that'll come too. What is your goal? Like, how much are you trying to get to?
175.
Okay. Yeah, I'd tell you about 175 to 180.
Okay.
And only because being 5'5", you probably need about 20 pounds of fat to feel comfortable.
Okay.
You could reach 175, but you might not like the way, like the work you have to put in every day to
I
stay
don't mind
there.
that.
But 180 is what we talked about. I don't know.
175 is only a 5 pound difference.
Well, if you do that, you'd be great.
You're pretty symmetrical all the way around, so nothing we really have to worry about there. You're gonna have one side bigger than the other, but as long as it's not a lot, realistic. So May 27th of next year, you could be 55 pounds of fat layer, which would be about 18% body fat. So it's probably really 65 pounds.
Hey y'all, what's up? So it is Saturday. I finally have a day off from work, so I am going to get a facial. Now I have been using Rihanna's Fenty beauty skin line, and I absolutely love it, but at the same time I want to go get a facial. I want to be pampered a little bit. Now I am a member of Hand and Stone Massage, yeah, and why not? If I'm paying for it, I might as well use my packages. So I'm gonna go over there and get my first facial with them. The weather is about to change, so that means my little trouble spots on my face that I hate every fall and winter will be reappearing. However, I noticed since I've been using the Fenty skin that I haven't had those dry spots, so we're gonna go and take a look and see what exactly is going on with this face to make sure that it continues to look good. Honestly, no one believes I'm the age I am, so with that being said, let's keep the skin looking like that too. So see you in a few. Okay, so I'm here, right? But seeing how we're in COVID times, I have to wait in my car until they're ready for me. So I've already went inside and checked in. It's a little busy in there, so I'm just waiting for them to call me, let me know they're ready. Okay, y'all, so I am in the spa about to get this facial done. I'm gonna put clips in right about here. Yes, I can't go any further. I'm all wrapped up. See you guys after the facial. Okay, y'all. So I just had my face done by Destiny, and I absolutely love it. Everything is so soft. Girl, this skin. What? Okay, so recap to my facial. It was amazing. If you're in Greensboro and you want to go over to Hand and Stone Spa, ask for Destiny. She's amazing. And for having a facial for the first time being done outside of my home, she did tell me my skin is amazing. I do have a few areas, like I told you guys, or like you've seen in previous videos, like around like my cheek area here. I have a few areas down the center of my nose, as you saw in the video. She had to do a few extractions, but it wasn't nothing major. It was just like right around the edge of my nose. So I need to exfoliate a little bit more. I did a microdermabrasion. Other than that, honey, I'm happy with the results. And I'll go back in a month. So, like I said, if you're in the area and you would like to get a facial done, destinyisbomb.com. Call over to Hand and Stone in Greensboro and ask Destiny. She's bomb. As you can see, I've been tearing this pan up. So for tonight's dinner, we're going to have some shrimp tacos. And I just decided to use these Baja style shrimp seasoning packs. Now, I save all my carbs for dinner. And for this one, which some people say it's not very good to do. So for this is 0 carbs, 0 fat. The sodium is 140 milligrams and protein is 0. It's a seasoning, so I don't expect it to have any protein. So this I used 1/2 of the pack because I got a large amount of shrimp that I'm going to be cooking for tacos. So let's start this out. Let's go. First things first, I'm going to melt my Kerrygold butter. Because I like it. I could ask for it. But I like to put garlic in mine. So I'm going to put some garlic in here. Garlic. Okay, go ahead and put this one in.
Put it on.
Yeah. So now it's time for me to start making my tacos. I like to take my tacos and put them in a pan, cook them up a little bit, and shape them in the shape of a taco. Now it's time to build my tacos. I like to use a spring mix with spinach and arugula because iceberg has no nutritional value. So these are homemade shrimp tacos.
That's
And he's
you did
trying to-
once again. I'm gonna try it for
Go ahead.
the second time. You better be. Well, you see, I've already.
Andre,
Okay.
you be doing too much.
Oh, boy. Gosh.
He love to eat, y'all. Look. Is it good?
Yeah. Good deal. I need 2 more though.
Oh my God. You haven't even eaten what's in your plate.
Well, look, see that? The guacamole. A little bit of sauce though.
Cilantro.
Cilantro on the top.
The only thing you don't eat is sour cream.
I can't do sour.
Oh.
I think it takes away. But then, look at this bite.
Greedy. Go eat your food.
I am eating it.
Bye. Say bye, people.
Later.